Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature by the application on this device. So we have to start from the download this application and launch it. Now skip. And we have to wait a second. Close the ad and go here to the simulation section. Now turn off these switchers and hold your finger here. Close the ad again, and how you can see this is my result. If you want to save it, click here and save. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.